The High Court is part of 10 key projects funded by Danish International Redevelopment Agency. It is the outcome of study by a committee which also recommended workable solutions to reduce the prison population and increase access to justice. Justice Sophia Akuffo encouraged judicial staff to be mindful of the weight of their responsibility and let their actions reflect in their dealings with the public.
The need to further reduce the number of inmates in prisons cannot be gainsaid. Last week, Her Excellency, the Ambassador, and we jointly participated in a program launching a region-by-region sensitization on alternative sentencing policies towards the enactment of an act that will reduce the number of offenses that must necessarily attract imprisonment. That is one method, but this court is also going to help in reducing the time within which deserving appeal cases will be heard and concluded. So people who do not need to continue after their conviction in court to also be freed, because the right to the freedom of the person is indeed one of the natural rights of the...
Director General of Ghana Prison Service, Patrick Daku Misa, says bringing justice to the doorstep is welcome relief.
Indeed, justice has been brought to the doorstep of the prisons, and I wish to assure Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice of the Corporation of the Ghana Prison Service, to ensure that the court delivers the services for which it was put up. I hope to be present at the commissioning of the Tamale Prison High Court before the end of this month. Before I take my seat, Mr. Chairman, may I take this opportunity to appeal to the Judicial Service and its founding partners to look to the possibility of replicating such similar courts in the Akuffo, Sunyani, and Sekedin prisons in the not too distant future. Once again, I welcome all and sundry to this ceremony and assure you of your safety and security while you are with us.
Impacted positively on the remand population. This is no small achievement. I'm particularly happy to note that the program has been beneficial to some of the most vulnerable and poor citizens in the country, who find themselves in detention for one reason or another and are unable to afford the legal fees of representation. The success is the result of hard work and commitment from all stakeholders, including in particular the Judicial Service of Ghana and Lady Chief Justice in person, the Attorney General's Department, the Prison Service, the Ghana Police Service, and the POS Foundation. Notwithstanding these successes, the program continues to face some challenges. One of the challenges is the lack of court facilities close to the prison for remand prisoners' cases to be heard. I understand that because of cost implications of transporting remand prisoners to the nearest court facilities, coupled with security considerations, the authorities delay in presenting remand prisoners to the courts for their cases to be heard. The refusal of some investigators to present prisoners before the court to execute bail bonds could also partly be blamed on lack of access to courts.
He appealed to the Judicial Service to replicate the initiative at Akuffo, Sunyani, and Sekedin prisons.
So this leads where? Outside.
Mahmud Mohammed-Nurudeen reporting.